let's start getting this going. What's up, Defo? What's going up tonight? I think Alley Gold is going to be going up, and I'll explain why. Also, I think Bitcoin's about to go up. So we looked at Bitcoin last night as this falling wedge pattern. We've been hitting a lot of resistance right at the 104,448 level. Looks like we're breaking out. So that part's nice. Still aiming for 109. So I think the entirety of the market is about to do pretty darn decent, honestly. So yeah, today was your ultimate buying opportunity, and I have a feeling everything we look at today, it's going to be like, oh yeah, probably going up, because that was a big pullback as liquidity was sucked out of everything for the Trump token. But now I'm guessing it's starting to cool off. Just a guess, but I think it is. So, yeah, let's go on into this. Your 15-minute on Bitcoin, you're looking great, actually. Let's check out the 1 hour. 1 hour looks great, too. This thing actually looks like it's ready to pop to the upside. CCI indicator, you're in the bullish control zone. No big deal, but you're in the bullish control zone on the 1 hour as well. Starting to put in a green sell. This thing could start moving to the upside. 109.052 is the target in the short term. Longer term target, we're looking for 133,000. 133k. So that part's actually insane. Yo, what's up, James? How you doing? How you doing? I'm in agreement with you. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty darn good. So we're gonna see how this thing pans out. Your crypto book map is firing off. Whoa. Oh, nice, nice. You use Bookmap? Nice. It's crazy. It is crazy. Let's blast that cell life liquidity out of the water. Yo, what's up, Daniel Thomas? How you doing? Welcome in. What's up, Max? How you doing? How you doing? Great. How about you? I'm fantastic, actually. I'm fantastic. Been enjoying your takes, W. I'm glad you are enjoying it. Hopefully we just continue to make these gains. Virtual protocol, please. We will throw in some virtual. Sell side, gotcha. Might be, oh, you're talking about on Bookmap, there's a bunch of shorts getting ready to get liquidated. That's not bad at all. That's not a bad thing. Boydie. What's up, bro? What's up, Boydie? How you doing? How you doing? I did take profit in Sol and reallocated. Nice. We will be looking at Sol. So today, in the beginning of this stream, we're not only doing we're not only analyzing Bitcoin. We're going to look at Ethereum. We're going to look at XRP, XLM, ADA, HBAR, Dogecoin, XAI, Solana, and of course the trade that I'm currently in last. After that, I will be getting to all requests, so if you guys want, just start letting the requests flow. Hopefully I can keep up with them and write them all down. Just bear with me if I don't. Anybody who's new here, understand how it works. All members do have priority when it comes to their requests. All members that are ladies have top priority, period. And then on top of that, donations. They have a way of beating out all members. So then, yeah, as long as you're donating higher than $5 for the vast majority of members, you're beating them out in your request. Other than that, I will be getting to every request this live stream, so sit tight. You get put into a queue, and I do my best to get to you as fast as possible. If I don't have Bookmap on, your buy DeFi would be torched. Oh, really? That's crazy. The whole day has been market makers looking at liquidation, and picking. Oh, really? Oh, that's wild. That's wild. Makes sense though. Makes sense. Straight to the top. Check in on Kovo when you get time, my bro. I will. Melanie, good list to begin with. Looking for something new tonight that might pump. Well, I think Alley Gold is the one to look at, if I'm being completely honest and biased. That's kind of why I got into the trade, and it's on lower leverage than you guys normally see in the in the Discord, in the members only channel, and that's because I do think it's actually going to go up, so I need that stop loss to be real low. Kovu the Husky, what is up? How you doing? Actually, Virtuals will have to be second because Kovu will be the first one. Kovu. Thanks to Daniel Thomas. Can you look at cost? Cost, are you talking about Costco? Yeah, we can. What's up, Austin? How you doing? I can only wish I was the GOAT. I could only wish. But we can look at cost. I don't mind looking at Costco, especially now that I see people are going nuts over Pokemon cards again. Absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. I didn't know people would go that insane over a new Pokemon edition. Dr. Techno, what's up? Who's ready for the Porky Flounder coin IPO? You guys are going to have to keep waiting. I ain't making that shit. Gonna have to keep on waiting. Alrighty. Well, I'm going to start diving into this kind of lightning speed here so I can get through my list and start getting to all of your requests sooner than later. So right now on the 4 hour, we are a little bit on the overbought side. On the 4 hour, we have not put in any bearish divergence yet. So I am still expecting this move up to the 109,000. That's simply because your 1 hour's reset and ready to go. You're still above that 50 simple moving average. You're just contesting with some sell orders that are sitting at resistance. Once we break it though, 109 is almost guaranteed. After that, we're going to be looking at 100 and what? No. After that, we're going to be looking at most likely Bitcoin moving all the way up to $133,000. That is in the longer term. We'll see how long it takes to get there. But from when we were looking at this before, that was a 32% move, and it's already started going. So that is Bitcoin. Automatically tonight, I'm probably going to have a bias to the upside because not only were we selling off all day as people were loading up on their Trump coin, but also things just happen to be in great buying opportunity areas. So let's check out Ethereum next. So looking at Ethereum, the status... What?
Can you walk her?
What are you talking about?
Autumn.
I already did.
Yeah, Nan said she's going to go
Dumb.
in.
I can't do that right now. You walk her. Okay? Jeez. Alright. So, looking at Ethereum on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour actually, hold on. Going into the 4 hour, right now you can see we just got back into this trading range. On your 4 hour, we're back in neutral territory. Your CCI indicator is basically saying if this was a stochastic RSI, this would be reset. So I do think Ethereum's getting ready for a breakout sometime soon, which is really nice. Right now you have about... Oh, you just have seller exhaustion, continual seller exhaustion. That's nice to see. Do we have bullish divergence? We do. Bullish divergence, and it looks like the first higher low. So in the short term, I do believe Ethereum is about to start making a move, which is really nice. We're going to be looking for overhead resistance at $3,955. Not too shabby if you ask me. It looks like it's getting ready to go. ETH's due for a big breakout. It is. If we zoom on out to the higher time frame like the weekly, you're going to see exactly how much of a breakout this could be, because I'm looking at this as an inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. Bitcoin is just dancing on top of its 50 simple moving average. Once you get a breakout, we could see a 42% rise, getting you up to $5,655. So Ethereum looks like it's gearing up for a very big move in the near future. All right, moving along, we got XRP. So with XRP, you can see this absolute crazy breakout that it had on the weekly. You're still in overbought territory, but man, people are feverish about this thing. What's up, Trade Intuition? How you doing? How you doing? Now, looking at the daily here, you are still overbought. I made this little bull flag here, and it broke out. All I was hearing during stream last night was how it was falling, but here we are, going up. Checking out your 4 hour. 4 hour, you can see how this thing panned out. Held almost perfectly, and now you're breaking to the upside. You still have the move up to $4.40 that we've had marked out for months. So, yeah, I don't think this thing's done pumping. I'm sorry, Austin. I don't think it's done. And I think right now all those Trump coin holders now have more fuel to throw it right into the fire. So here we are. By the way, Trade Intuition, thank you so much for smashing the like. Hopefully everyone else is following suit and doing what you did, the right and proper thing, hitting the like button. I appreciate it. Thank you. So XRP right now on a complete tear and looking like it wants some more. Been lurking the past few streams, charting, still charting, but wanted to let you know I smashed the like. I appreciate that, Trade Intuition. I appreciate it. Checking out your 15-minute right now. You are on that fresh breakout. You are not overbought on the 15. This thing could actually start rallying tonight. That is nutty. And noted, there's going to be some random person out there looking at this like a bull flag. So, of course, we have to see what they're seeing. And it's almost lining up perfectly with my target. So that is crazy. Chill Guy, USDT. Boyd, I got you. Chill Guy. Got you covered. All right, so that is XRP. Let's go ahead and move along to XLM. Since we're down here, we're going over here. Now, XLM, it always moves almost the exact same as XRP, so let's look at it on the daily. Daily, you are not overbought. That is really the big difference between this and XRP. So, on your short-term move here, it's looking to finish the move, getting up to 58.73. Your daily is not overbought, so it could have that rally in it. Damn it, XRP does nothing forever, then pumps out of nowhere. Don't worry, Austin, it's setting up daily bearish divergence. It's going to come down eventually. Don't you worry about it. And then it might be absolute desolate and terrible for the next couple years. Oh my Lanta. So XLM on the 4-hour, you have not only set a higher low, but on your MACD, you just put in hidden bullish divergence. Absolutely wild. This thing is ready to run. If you are jumping into a fresh new trade on this, I would suggest putting a stop loss below this low at 45.03 and enjoying the gains that come. You are right now looking for 58.73. Next target after that is going to be overhead resistance at 71.32. Then after that, you're going to be looking at 9721. Absolute craziness coming out of XLM. Why am I bullish on these low prices on shit coins? Because they are amazing entries. That's why, Boyd. That's why. But anyways, also when you see a meme coin go from 0 to what, $27 billion in a single day, it gives you hope for the meme coin space. Anyways, this is what I see out of XLM. Let's move right along. We're going to ADA. So I was in this trade earlier. I got out of it because I found Aligold, and I think Aligold's a much higher opportunity of upside, but we're going to find out. Anyways, I should get rid of this and this because I'm not in the trade anymore. Don't need those there. Anyways, ADA right now has tried breaking out, came back down. Now it's on its second breakout. So this thing is set up, first off, to get up to your next overhead resistance, sitting at 145.97, which from when I looked at it, it was about 31% upside. Now we're looking at about 28% upside. After that, if we do break it, we could see this rally straight on up to $1.95. This is absolutely wild to see, but ADA is getting ready for a moon mission, and out of the American coins, it was lagging behind a few others, so we're going to see how this thing performs in the coming days. But your 4-hour looks good, you're above your 50 simple, everything looks fine and ready to go for upside. Moving along, we have H-bar. So checking out H-bar next. Watch BTC hit 106 tonight, maybe. I'm still aiming for 109. Still aiming for it. All right, so we got to adjust our supply line. H-bar in a bull flag. Go figure. Check it out on the 4-hour. You reset your indicators while sitting right at resistance. This is a very bullish sign. Check out Peanut. Got you. Peanut. Got you covered, Boyd. I got you covered. So, looking at this as a bull flag, you could see this thing rally up like crazy once you get a breakout and a back test, of course. But the measured move out of the bull flag would be getting you up to 51,305. However, we do have a target. We're looking for 55,587. So from where you're sitting right this moment, we could see a 53% rally out of H bar. On your 4 hour, it is showing signs that it's ready to go. On your 1 hour time frame, it has all but reset. You are just now breaking back into that bullish control zone. We will see if it wants to consolidate in this little flag any longer. But if Bitcoin gets bullish, you can bet your bottom this thing's going to get extremely bullish as well. So that's going to be the nice part. All right, moving along from H bar, let's go ahead and check out Dogecoin. Doge. So on Dogecoin, you can see it is having a nice bullish consolidation outside of its demand line. It didn't even want to give you the back test. Looks like we are finally, after all this time, going to see Dogecoin make a run to 57 cents and possibly even 71,938, nearing all-time highs. What's up, Tito? How you doing? Welcome in. Your 1 hour time frame is absolutely ready for upside for Dogecoin. Let's check out your 4 hour. 4 hour is not overbought, nor is it showing bearish divergence. Wow, no bearish divergence at all. So this thing could rally all night long, just like in the Waterboy. Anyways, moving right along, we got, love your videos, Porky. Everyone smash the like button for him. I appreciate you, Austin, for spreading the good word. Thank you very much. XAI, I didn't even know this was an American crypto until somebody posted about it on X. So here we go. Can I look at Jupiter? Sure, we'll throw that into the queue. Jupe. Got you covered. All right, so XAI is so damn bullish looking, it's unbelievable. Oh my. All right, so this happens to be an American-based cryptocurrency. I did not know about it. However, we're going to go to the daily so you can see all of its glory right now. On the daily time frame, you have technical bullish divergence with getting a double bottom on your relative strength while seeing a lower price. It is not the strongest form of bullish divergence, but it's something to work with. Now, what I really want to point out is how you're in the bearish control zone on the daily still. You are below your 200, 100, and 50 simple moving averages. When you got a golden cross, you got devastated. Absolutely no sense on this coin what happened, but I do think people are starting to wake up. So, on your first move ever, first move you're looking for is to finish off the golden retrace. So on your golden retrace from where the price is right this moment, you could see this thing rally 56%. If you do get that 56%, you will be above resistance. You are more than likely going to make a higher high than this high. So you are likely to test 59 cents. From where you're sitting, that is 173% upside target. Might be the best accumulation range you could find for this particular asset. So I definitely think this might be a very good opportunity for a lot of people. Anyways, moving along, let's check out your 4 hour time frame. You're already setting a higher low after forming bullish divergence from here to here. Bullish divergence, higher low, ready to run. So XAI looking good. Looking at your 1 hour, you're breaking back into bullish control zone. Oh shit. All right, so for you scalp traders out here, here you go. This one's going to be the gift of the evening. You could see this thing rally 27%. Absolutely crazy. Get that stop loss down here below 2054 because you're expecting that to hold. So as long as you stay above that, 27% is yours. Also, it could keep running and go up 40% to overhead resistance. This could be an extremely good play for you guys. Just saying. All right, moving along, we got Solana. Checking out Sol that had an absolute killer day. I mean, wow. This thing was up like crazy. I saw posts that it was breaking its all-time high and whatnot, and I was like, holy moly. But let's check out Solana. Let's see what it's doing. I think they lied to me. It didn't break all-time high, did it? It did. 271. Wow. New all-time high for Sol? Hold on here. It was a new all-time high. Wow. Check out Solana. All right, either way, for Solana, we're above 250. That's what we really wanted. You're barely touching the overbought territory on the daily. Our target for Solana is $331. Way too hot. I don't know about that. Still not overbought. It's probably overbought on the lower time frames, but your daily looks fine. You could see this thing go up to 331. I would like to see a lot of consolidation. You're right, Boyd. I really would like to see that consolidation, but we're going to see if we even get it. Because, of course, what happens when people normally make a ton of money off one meme coin? They start letting it flood into the other meme coins in the network. So, yeah, I'm getting a little excited for my meme coin holdings inside of the... Love your energy. Nicole, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming in. One thing I really do love about this community and the meme coins and stuff, they will start spreading the wealth across the entire chain. So I think for the coming weeks, we're going to see Solana stay strong just because they're going to be buying the heck out of all the other memes. But we'll see how it pans out. We'll see. Yeah, Nicole, I believe it's your first time here. Welcome in. Hopefully you enjoy the content. Maybe you even decide to subscribe. The way this works is I take everyone's requests. And just so you know, there is a queue. So it goes based off a tier system. All of my members, they do get... Are you kidding me, Melanie? Oh, God. All right. All of my members, they do get priority. All of my female members get priority over all members. And then, of course, ladies do get first requests over all other requests that happen to not be members. And, yeah, that's how we do it. The only way you can jump the line is become a member or donate higher than $5. But, yeah, that's how. Trump. I can't believe you're trying to have me look at the Trump coin. I think it got listed some places too, so I might actually be able to look at it, but I don't see the point. Ladies first. Always ladies first. Always. Pullback, please. Yep. What's my meme coin I'm holding? Oof. I'm holding quite a few of them, Max. Quite a few. I did start recently loading up on Whiff, though. Dog Whiff Hat, I started loading up on it. Honestly, I really did. But, yeah, I got a few of them. I bought in this morning. You bought Trump this morning? Melanie, we don't teach that here. What? Oh, God. It has 80% of the tokens still in lockup. Why would you... What? Hey, if you're up for gambling, it's alright, I guess. It's alright. Anyways, for Solana, if we do see a pullback, because on the 1 hour, I am seeing that first lower high, we could see a pullback down to $245. If it does come down, if it wants to give anyone a chance, you might see 4.9% to the downside. That's pretty slim there. But your upside targets here, this could be absolutely wonderful. We could see this thing go up 28% more. Jesus. All right, that's Solana. Now, of course, I'm going to show you guys the trade that I am currently in, which is AliGold AGLD. So AliGold is the trade I am currently in, and that is because this thing looks absolutely amazing. Not my fault, it's just the chart. Anyways, if you're a part of the members section in Discord, well, you got to see when I entered this trade. But right now on your daily time frame, we just entered the bearish control zone. It looks like the sell pressure is about to subside. We're sitting right on top of our 50 simple moving average. All I need is for the new day, get back above it. Don't use it as resistance. Don't do any of that. We had this nice downtrending level of resistance that we broke out of, and now we're back testing and touching support. Noted, I'm in a very short-term trade on this one, but I am going long. Looking at our 4-hour time frame, you can see we do have... never mind. I take it back. We don't. Yeah, we do. We do have a form of bullish divergence here with the slightly lower low but higher relative strength. So we are good with that. Going into our 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. We got oversold. We rounded our bottom. This is nice. And you can see we did make one low here. I'm still waiting for a higher low. Still waiting for it, but I do think we're about to get a nice golden retrace, which was 11% to the upside from when I got in, and I posted it in the members only section of when I got in. So you can see the trade right here. We're currently up 16% on the trade, and we are just looking to take profit at 203. So that is what we are in right now. Oh boy. Don't worry, DZ, we did look at XRP. It was the third chart we looked at. But if you want, we can loop back around. Did we do the Trump coin? We're about to, sadly. We're about to. We're going to check out Trump, we're going to check out Kovu, and then we're going to go into the rest of the members and so on and so forth. But DGen, and then you wanted the Trump coin, which is already on the list. Yo, rewatch XRP. I appreciate you for doing that, DZ. I don't like looping back around. Anyways, now let's go ahead and jump into the Trump coin. Let me see if I can find it here. Trump. There it is. Official Trump USDT tether. Or we'll go with MEXC Trump. So we're going to look at this chart because it's just a gap up. Are we serious? Are we serious? Is this the actual coin? What's the price? This is the actual coin. Holy shit. Thanks, dude. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, y'all. Yes, thumbs up. So, the Trump coin has actually been out for a hot minute. Did not notice that. But, you can see how it has skyrocketed above all other resistance. I honestly had no idea it was out for this long. But, let's see here. Where could this thing go? Where? I don't even know why I'm putting this down here. That's a weird chart. Of course it's a weird chart. It's on MEXC and it went ape shit. Like, what do you expect? Anyways, so I guess we can look at it like this. We're just trying our best to figure out where this thing's headed. Maybe it's headed to $36. It almost got there. Almost. Could I take a look at Sui? Yeah, simply better. I got you. Sui. I got you covered. Alright, so yeah, maybe we hit $36. Maybe we get to 50. Who knows? But this is the Trump coin. I mean, I don't know what else you want me to do for it, but there you go. You're starting to see a little bit of sell. Are you fucking kidding me? There's no bearish divergent? Oh my god. Alright, no bearish divergence. Be ready for bullish consolidation, apparently. Oh man, how many exchanges is it on? It's on almost all of them. I don't know if Binance listed them, but Coinbase is considering listing them. So I was like, oh boy, that's absolutely wild. Checking out your 4 hour time frame. That gap is annoying. I hate that. Oh boy. Gate.io, do they all have the gap? Oh man. CoinX. What? This is MAGA. That's not the right one. It just got listed on this exchange? Okay, sure. Let's look at it from this. So, looking at it here, let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour. Wow, you're finding support? Are you serious? Are you actually serious? You're finding support? But why? Okay, people are actually buying into this thing right now. That's shocking, to say the least. Absolutely shocking. So, with that being said, we might see this thing rally up to 50. Are you serious? Good God. The name is correct, but not the right coin. Only got listed today. I hate that coins do this. Same name, but wrong coin. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Once Trump gets listed, you're holding it, sell the coin. Exactly. Get rid of it right away. So I guess this thing maybe goes up another 96%. Yeah, right. I don't believe that for 1 second. I think people are going to take profits. Honestly, I think they're going to take profits. But it's weird. You're catching bids. The price is right. That's why I think that's the right one. Who knows? It says official Trump. Who knows? But that's what I see out of the Trump coin. I'm not going to spend that much time on it because it doesn't make any sense that people are buying it, honestly. I would not condone buying this, but who knows? Maybe you see another 96% move to the upside. It's a possibility. It's a possibility. FOMO's a crazy thing, and people are just learning how to buy it. So, it could do it. All right, Kovu is next. So, let's check out Kovu. Daniel Thomas, I hope you're still here. Oh, boy. This thing got the Trump effect. Oh, just started getting drained from the Trump coin. However, the positive, you are setting a higher low. So that's good. You're still in play to get that golden retrace, getting you up to 2912. Provided you do not lose 948, you're in good spot. Very good spot. The fact that you are getting a higher low, you could start thinking of scalp trading this, which basically means you could look at it from a different perspective right here. As this was your first leg up, you're looking for the second leg up, getting you slightly higher, which, oh my, is that higher. 162% upside could be coming. DM me your wallet, Porky. Will airdrop you some Kovu? Oh boy. I don't know about that. Then I might have to say only nice things about it. I don't know. Also, I don't DM anybody, so that's definitely not going to happen. So whoever had Trump coins, when should they sell? Young Mac, depends on when you want to take some risk off the table. If I had already made 1,000x, I would have sold that thing as soon as I saw it. That's just the plain fact. I would have gotten rid of it, not even caring if it hits a trillion market cap or not. I would get out right away. Fair enough, bro. Yeah, Daniel Thomas, unless I'm getting sponsored and I can start saying, hey, this is sponsored content, I can't do that. But you're always welcome to do crypto donations. In the link in the description down below, there is a place to do crypto donations. I accept all of those. But other than that, I don't take bribes. I don't take bribes until I can make a video about the bribe. I do take bribes. Just so you all know. I do. Don't ever vote for me for president, for senator, for any office. I will take bribes. You will not be my first priority. Just letting you know that now. How much was Trump coin when it was available at the earliest? I'm pretty sure it launched at 0. Like, I'm pretty sure that's what it was. You were going to buy Trump coin at $13? Well, you would have doubled your money if you did that. You definitely would have doubled your money. All right, everybody. We're going to move right along. We got virtual next. So let's check out some virtual. So, virtual. Virtual for Max. Nice consolidation. After a beautiful move to the upside, you're just hitting the 100% retrace on the move. This is pretty. I do like this. I'm just waiting for the trickle down. The trickle down is going to be the best part. 74 BTC for sale on Bookmap. That is wild. That is wild. Let's watch this freaking squeeze. You know, that's absolutely crazy. Like, wow. All right, so you are getting your rounded bottom. The only problem is, for virtual, you do have this downtrending level of resistance. Once you break out, you still are going to be looking for another test of the lows, which is horrible. But it is normal. So that's basically what happened here. You had a breakout, a back test, who knows? Maybe you're just going to get a higher low, back testing your demand line, and continue your run to the upside. But you can see how we drew this. We went straight up to your 618. We pulled back for the higher low. Now we have a new uptrend that has started. So this thing is ready to get rocking and rolling. Your longer term time frame after this happened, you're going to be looking for a test up here at $8.22 over time. If you're trying to leverage trade this thing, well, get a stop loss right below 270. You should be pretty good. What are you doing? Why are you doing that? Okay. Did you walk on him again?
She's acting a little weird.
Like what?
Like she's like circling around looking at Denny, Otta, and Nanis.
Oh.
Bye.
Alright, bye. Alright, so what we could see in the shorter term is a 71% move to the upside, hitting $5.34. So once again, we are waiting for the back test after the breakout. Do not front run this thing because you could come all the way back down to $2.70. So be careful on that. Wait for the back test. Alright, just wait for it. You're weird as fuck not reading my comments. I'm out of here. What the hell are you talking about? How strange. I read his comment talking about what. So whoever had Trump coins, when should they sell? And I was like, if you already made enough. I'm so confused. Whatever. We're done talking about that. Thank you. If you can add C and Q. Got it. C and Q. Oh, you know what? We're never going to deal with that person again. I can promise you that because we are getting rid of this guy. Hide user from channel. I don't need to see idiots like that ever again. Thank you. Take it easy. Anyways, moving right along. So, we're going to be checking out cost next. If Porky's weird as fuck, imagine me. No, I'm okay with being weird. I just don't like it when people don't pay attention when I read their comments, and then they start calling me out for it. That is some bullshit. Oh, I hate that. Ugh. Alright, cost. Let's check out some Costco. Yo, people chill out. This is entertainment only. Exactly. Entertainment only. But no, just, ugh. Some people bother me. Some people really do bother me. And I think a lot of people also fail to realize, like, I'm nice until you act like an idiot. And then I'm not. Like, it's a flip of a switch. I don't really care. I've played too many contact sports, been in too many altercations, and dealt with too many dumb people. I don't need to deal with that. Alright guys, I do have to take a brief intermission. You're the best and fastest responder to the chats. I think you're faster when it comes to reading comments. Yeah, probably. Guys, I gotta take a brief intermission. My dog is going through some issues. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. You know the guy who called him weird? No. Also, I don't know who this German dog person is. You're kind of lucky I don't see you inside of the chat. Oh boy. Anyways, yeah, my dog's acting kind of weird. Seems like something just happened neurologically. She's an older dog, so I'm not really sure what's going wrong, but she might have to take a trip to the vet tonight. So that would be awful. All right, QQ. Yeah, we got Q in the queue. So looking at Costco here right now, it is looking like you're getting that nice move to the upside. You're staying above $922, which is phenomenal. I would believe over time you're going to see somewhere between $1,046 and $1,095. So this should be nice. Yeah, she's the last of the two dogs that I had. So my other dog passed away about 2.5 years ago from being too old, and this dog happens to be 2 years younger than him. So kind of thinking it might be time. It might be time, which it's a shame, but you know, all great things come to an end at some point in time. All great things do. Anyways, moving right along here. Costco looking great. 16% upside is your target right now. Everything's pointing to the upside. BTC pumping. Well, we did call the BTC to move up to 109 at the beginning of stream. We did call for it. All right, Chill Guy is coming up next. Chill Guy. Checking out Chill Guy. Wow, it is low. Holy moly. But major bullish divergence on the daily. So that is the nice part. Let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Beauty. Beauty. Beautiful. There you go. There you go. Losing dog is so hard. I have 2 on your lap and my golden at your feet. Wow, that's a lot of pups. Yeah, it's a little tough, but we the way my family handles death, we more celebrate the death more than mourn for it. So it's not that bad. Noted, both my parents are Marines, so I grew up different. I grew up a little different. Geez, just a chill guy. Yeah. B Pro and Solo, if you haven't, seems like they're consolidating. We will check it out. B Pro, Solo. Got you covered. Got you covered, Dr. Techno. All right. So now, looking at this, we do have downside again that we need to break out of. We do have that bullish divergence on the daily. Let's check out our 4-hour. 4-hour time frame. Massive bullish divergence. However, you're putting in triple bullish divergence. Still no higher low. That's annoying, but it's probably because of the Trump coin. You probably were going to hold support up here, then run. Instead, you made a lower low, which is unfortunate. But what do we have here? What do we have here? It does resemble a wedge pattern, so this is still extremely bullish. Once you do get that breakout, you're looking at something kind of like this, getting up to 21.19, looking for a 102% upside move. Absolutely beautiful. So Chill Guy, not looking bad, looking like it's ready to move. Check out the 1 hour. Oh yeah, 1 hour is ready to go too. Holy moly. This thing just stayed oversold. Now it's popping up. So that's nice. Let's see what happens. Can we look at FSN? Yep, we certainly can. FSN. Oh, they're all chilling right now, eh? Hey, things are starting to go back up. This is what we want. So right now, checking out Peanut. Peanut USDT. Jeez. So Peanut is, oof, it had a rough day today, didn't it? Jeez, but you do have bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Looks like you're about to get a nice move back up. So in the short term, you're going to be looking for Peanut to get back up to resistance at 6085. For you scalp traders out there, going to be looking for 13% upside for Peanut. for you longer term holders out there, you have a golden retrace based off of this bigger time frame, which is looking like 225% upside is coming for Peanut. So Peanut's looking extremely good down here. Looks like you are starting to bottom out. It sucks on that wick low because it was the lowest low, but you're still above this trading section over here. So let's see what ends up happening for Peanut, but I do believe you're going to at least see that 13% play out more than likely tonight. So we're going to see what happens. All right, checking out C, SEI. So C token. C doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. You bounced off support down there at 35.13. You are now making your higher low on the 4 hour. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So right now we are still waiting for C token to get up to overhead resistance at 5947. It is 48.9% to the upside. But over time, over a longer period of time, we could see a test at 96 cents, which would be 138% upside move. You still have a lot of resistance to break through, but it looks like it's getting ready for its rally. So C token looking extremely strong, and it's right above resistance, so very simple to see where you should put your stop loss. I do love that. All right, next we're checking out Q. USDT. All right, Q. All I can do is perpetuals? Okay, guess we're looking at perpetuals. So, wait, nope, that's not it. What is Q? Is that it? Q star? Hold on, what? Is that what you were asking for? Q star? I can only find it right there. So we're going to look at... Oh, God. This looks terrible. All right, we're looking at this thing. We're looking at it. We're checking it out. We are going to do this. And this. And then, of course, we got this. All right, so we are sitting in a consolidation range. Not bad. On your weekly, you do have a terrible downtrend right here, but you do have an uptrend also. So you do have a nice little supply line right here, just consolidating. No, I mean, what? So it's not this. All right. QUEU. Oh, that's what you meant. Okay, because like I'm sitting here trying to find Q, and I'm like, what the heck is this thing? All right, I got you. All right, so next we're going to check out B Pro. So B Pro Network. I believe we looked at this the other day, and I said nothing but nice things about it. Let's see how it held up. In your queue. Got it. Got it. All right, so we held support at 3852. Absolute gorgeousness. And with the holding of support, we technically have a double bottom. Love to see that. So right now, your next move I'm looking for is hitting overhead resistance, 228% upside, but you are still consolidating. So remember, even after you break out, you're likely to come back down to this level and then rally again. If you're lucky, this thing's going to fly straight up to resistance, come back down to support, so then you can get another trade in from there. So this thing is set up, ready to go for upside based off your weekly. Wow. Double bottom on the weekly. Okay. Looking at your daily. Ew. That looks nasty. Rounding at the top on the daily. Don't like that. Checking out your 4 hours just resetting and getting ready to go. So for the scalp trader out here, you do have opportunity. For B Pro, you could see this thing move up. Noted. You still could see downside. You could come all the way back down to 4350, and that would still be very bullish. But let's just say you did that. Let's say you came down there. You would then be looking for 50% upside. Let's say you don't come down there. It's 33% upside on your next leg up. Your 4 hour is looking like it wants to try and do that. Looking at your 1 hour, it definitely wants to try and do that. Wow, that is amazing. Checking out the 15-minute, and you are just now starting a new uptrend? Okay. Okay, but there's still that possibility. You could set a lower low, setting up bullish divergence on your 15 before it really starts rallying. So keep that in mind with B-Pro, that there could be a little bit of downside before you start rallying up. So you could very well see about 10% to the downside before getting that upside move. Just possibilities that you want to focus in on. Now, let's look at Solo. Checking out Solo. Not that chart. Jeez. All right, Solo, great. Great consolidation, great breakout. Chill guy, ETH is better. All right, Sal. Well, I don't know. I don't even hold it. So I have no horse in this race. So you are currently on a breakout. You're looking for your back test. Your 15-minute is telling you you're going to consolidate. You're in that overbought territory for Solo. Expect the consolidations. I can sleep on these longs at least at these levels. That's true. You can. You can go to sleep soundly at these levels. It's kind of nice. But on your 1 hour, it is showing consolidation could be coming, but you do have plenty of upside potential. Now, considering that pullback, we can look at this a bit differently because that was a very deep retracement. So we would be looking at this more like this with that extreme deep retracement. And let me see if you got any hidden bullish divergence. You do. So on your 4 hour, you have hidden bullish divergence, which is nice. What do I mean by that? I mean, here was your strength on the first pullback. Here's your strength on the second. You can also see it is a significantly higher price. So this is giving you tons of leg room to run to the upside. So right now for Solo, from where you're sitting, you could see this thing rally up something like 34% upside. 125x, no stop loss is the best. That sounds terrible, Max. That sounds absolutely terrible. I would never condone that one. That is wild. Wow. Okay. Anyways, moving right along, we are getting to Jupiter next. So Jupe. Jupe. Now, Jupiter had an absolutely amazing day, just like Solana, because guess what? Everyone's not only using Jupiter for the Trump coin, but they're also using Jupiter for the airdrops. So, everyone just remembered they can get amazing airdrops with Jupiter. They're like, oh yeah, now here's this Trump coin dropped in my lap. So, of course, it got a ton of activity today. A ton. Which also, hats off to the Solana network. It did not go down. It handled all of it. Like, Solana's come a long way, and I don't think a lot of people want to mention that. Anyways, right now, on your daily, you did have bullish divergence. You had a beautiful move to the upside. You are broken out of a downtrend. Let's see if you get a back test at 99.78. That would be amazing. Because if you do, this could be an extremely advantageous trade for you, where you're going to be looking for a possible move up to $1.54.31. Let's see if you do get that pullback all the way down to support. I mean, you're looking for that back test. It's kind of important. If you get it, 54% more upside could be coming your way for Jupiter. Look for the back test, though. Look to see if you hold 99.78. If you do, fantastic. If you don't, well, you're probably going to see 91.87 again. So there's that, because you never backtested it once you broke out of those levels. Anyways, let's go into your 4 hour time frame. You are overbought, indicating there will be consolidation. Checking out your 1 hour. Your 1 hour is showing bearish divergence, meaning you're probably going to have a pullback. Checking the 15-minute. You definitely had triple bearish divergence, and you're ready to pull back. If you're trying to short this thing, you would be looking for the first lower high, more than likely coming back up to 117.42 as resistance, before you then could see a bit of downside. Jupiter, I would be looking for the 13% drop, but we will see how it all pans out. Maybe it comes straight down there right away and then pops up, but we will have to wait and see. I would still be looking for that first lower high and then enjoy the short to the downside. Enjoy it. All right, DGen is next. Checking out DGen. DGen. Beautiful move back up. Wait, is this today? Checking out the four. That is today. That is on the new day. Beautiful candle here. Nice 4.29% candle on the new day. And we did wick below this previous low, so the liquidity grab already happened. That is great. That is awesome. We also now just adjust this down because our upside target is way higher. Is way higher. DGen, I am now looking for a move up to 1311, which would be 38% upside. That is absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So that's what I'm waiting for, but you still have this darn downside nonsense. Gonna have to break out, back test, do all the stuff and the things that I like, and then, hey, DGen, you have my signature of approval. Enjoy the run. Oh, and you have bullish divergence on the 4 hour with the slightly lower low and higher relative strength. Beautiful. Beautiful. Smash the like, says Dr. Techno, and I agree with that statement. Hit the likes, everybody. Hit the likes. And if you're new here, subscribe. It's a great place to be. We go live every day. Anyways, checking out Sui next. Sui is next. Sui. Oh boy, Sui. I thought it was going to break out. It's getting held down. Oh no. Oh no. If you manage to get a breakout on Sui right now, this moment, we're looking for $6.22. Sui looks absolutely crazy at these levels. You are not overbought. You just got back into your bullish control zone on the 4 hour. That is nuts. Checking out your 1 hour. 1 hour looks like it's getting ready to go. Oh no. Checking out the 15 minute. 15 minute. It's kind of trying to find support. Wow. The Sui army is strong. Checking out your daily, your daily looks good too. Oh my god. All right, well, Sui has all the makings of a varsity athlete. This thing could be getting ready to move on up 25%. I have nothing terrible to say about this going into its weekly candle close. That is kind of a shame. So yeah, here we are. Damn. The only downside I can see right now is the CCI indicator. You are stuck in the bearish control zone, basically indicating more downside could be coming. So maybe you get lucky and this thing falls down to 476.32. It might be the last time it goes down there. If it does that, it might be. Because you are in an absolute beautiful uptrend. So then you're just waiting for the breakout at this point. Just waiting for that breakout. So Sui looking really strong. I have a weather alert issues. Temperatures rise next Monday? Why would I have a weather alert? What? Saying it's going to be hot? Oh, weird. FSN. So FSN, let's go ahead and check it out on Gate.io for the data. Maybe we go into CoinX. I guess it doesn't matter. Anyways, let's go out to our weekly. You wanted me to look at this. Why? Why do you want me to look at FSN? Oh, that's why. Alright, so we have triple bullish divergence on the weekly. Maybe the sell pressure ends. Maybe. I still would not recommend jumping into this token, but who knows? Maybe there's something I'm missing. Oh, it looks like it's getting a back test. Okay, alright. There's something I'm missing already. Checking it out a bit deeper. Let's get our 2 levels. Yeah, our 2 levels. Alright. Is Moonshot for Solana coins only? Melanie, what do you mean by that? What? Nice reading the charts. I break it down better than anyone you've seen. Well, I appreciate that. I appreciate the kind words. I don't know if I do it better than anyone. I just know I do it my style, and I hope it's good enough to make some gains. That's all I know. But let's go. So, Melanie, are you asking like only Solana coins can moonshot? Because no, that's not the case. I mean, other coins can. It's just right this moment, the trend is it's like all the liquidity is sitting inside of the Solana network with that Trump coin. That's really the big thing. That's the trend right now. It's not good spot entry for Sonic, FTM, and C. So C token, yes. I don't know what S looks like right now. I haven't checked it in the past couple days. I'm just holding it. So I wish I could tell you. We can check out the chart next. All right, looking at FSN. Ugh. I mean, there's bound to be bullish divergence, right? Okay, there's bullish divergence on the daily. I mean, huge bullish divergence on the daily. It's just when bids, when will they start buying? You got your breakout. You have new bullish divergence on the daily. When are they going to start buying this thing? What? I mean, geez. Who did FSN make angry? My goodness. It's looking like buy orders could be coming in now, but can you trust it? I don't know. This one, it doesn't make me feel good. I would want to see it break to the upside and then get a back test of something before I would buy it. This doesn't give me all the feel good feelings, doesn't give me FOMO. This just gives me like, we'll see if it dies kind of feelings. I don't like this one. I don't like it. There's tons of bullish divergence everywhere, but it's not playing out. It's like you had this one move up where, let's just call that shorts covering, and then it just continued selling off. You got oversold again, canceling out any bullish divergence you had back here on the 1 hour. This doesn't look good. It looks like price discovery to the downside, and they just keep on discovering it can go lower. This is not pleasant. Not pleasant. Okay, bye. Got kid stuff to do. Well, Boyd, hopefully you enjoy the kids while it lasts. I will catch you next time, hopefully. Alright, we're checking out Sonic next. Blast and Sushi. Blast, looking at Sushi for scalp. Or swing. Got you. Blast and Sushi. So yeah, this one, it's a wait and see. I don't really have anything positive to say about this until you do something to the effect of this, and then this, and then you can start maybe going. But it starts with people wanting to buy this thing. Currently, nobody wants to buy it. It just keeps on selling. So we'll see what ends up happening in the future. I'm sorry I can't give you any better news on this one. It's just, no one's buying it. Alright, moving along, we have S or Sonic. So S. CoinX has it. CoinX has it. Beautiful. Time to jump into Sonic based off the 4 hour. Let's see if we have some daily action. Yes, we do. Let's go, baby. Currently trading at 68 cents. Nice. Back to 100% retrace. I love it. Love it. This is the time to get into Sonic right now. Why do I say that? Because you were on this very tight downtrend. You broke out. You tested support. You broke out of the new downtrend. You tested support again with the 3 higher lows. Whiff, please. We'll check it out. What's up? Yeah, I'll go. Whiff, please. I'm still in that one. We'll check out some whiff when I get back. My dog is about to be taken to the hospital. I'm going to help get the dog into the car. I will be back. Give me 5 minutes. All right? Give me 5 minutes. Motherfucker. Dream Tanks TV, thank you so much for telling me that. Let me go back to S real quick. Oh, man. I'm realizing my stream delay right now. I'm realizing it. Where did I just look at this thing? CoinX. Alright, you guys can hear me now. So, what I'm seeing out of Sonic, it does look like you are bottoming out. This wasn't a nice downtrend. Your spot limit entry was 663. Not bad, not bad. That was actually a great entry for you. Holy crap. It looks like you're getting ready for the bull run, honestly. So right now, it is perfectly set up for number one, golden retrace. Going to be looking at 70.38. After that, you could see overhead resistance at 97%. And then after that, we could see 196% upside. Yeah, we good now? Yeah, sorry about that. Not sure if it can go down. I would not expect it to go down because you do have bullish divergence on the daily. This is signs that, and the bullish divergence started here to here. Now you have your higher low. So I would not expect it to go lower. I would be expecting it just to go up from here. So this looks absolutely fantastic. All right, next for Melanie, we're going to be checking out Whiff, but this one looks really good. And all it has to do, stay above 6613. That's all it has to do. Just stay above that. So next up, we got Whiff. So Whiff, still looking beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I already have this thing marked out because I looked at it earlier. On my video, Melanie, where I did all the TA for it. Yeah. Literally today. Dropped that video. You could have seen the TA. Anyways, on the daily, this is looking fantastic. You had a nice downtrending level of resistance. You broke out of, you not only back tested it, you put in bullish divergence, and now you're starting to move to the upside. That is beautiful. Checking out the 4-hour time frame, you're resetting. You do have a brand new downtrend that it looks like you're trying to break out of, which if you can maintain above this level right here at 1706, you could be seeing the next 29% upside going to $2.29. So this is looking absolutely phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. So, yeah, let's just see how it performs. But I do think Whiff is about to do extraordinarily good in the coming days, weeks, and months. I really do. Because, I mean, real talk, 457. That's what we're looking for. 457 overtime, getting on up there. So if you're currently in a trade on this one, enjoy the gains. Enjoy it. Anyways, that is Whiff. Let's go ahead and check out Blast. Oh, wait. Spell next, then Blast. Spell is next. Spell. Alright, so Spell token, a lot of people were wondering why did it take off the way that it did. Simply put, it is the main DEX that is on the Sonic network. So remember that because it was the main DEX on FTM, Sonic Network reaps all the rewards now. So what we're seeing is, surprisingly, hidden bullish divergence on the 1 hour based off your MACD. So your MACD is showing you more selling pressure than before, yet you do have a higher low than before. This thing is getting ready for a beautiful run to the upside, and we are still focused in on this thing getting up to 1716. So right now, right this second, might be a good opportunity to jump into a trade on Spell. Checking out your 15-minute. Your 15-minute is trying to tell you this is your new low. You still need to break out of this new downtrend here, so you're not out of the woods yet. However, this is looking extremely good. The fact of the matter is, you did consolidate, you're around a level of support, and you're putting in a new falling wedge pattern. This is gorgeous, it's beautiful. If you were in high school, you'd be taking this thing to prom. If you're playing just the falling wedge, you might look at it like this, a 21% move to the upside once you do break out, because you're expecting the breakout and the back test, of course, because you want a back test. Back tests are so important. They will save you out of a lot of trades. So that is what I see out of Spell token right now. Everything looks like it's ready to go up. Checking out the 4 hour. 4 hour might want to consolidate a bit longer because you're just now getting out of that overbought territory. Looking at the daily though, daily not overbought, you're just high. So it's okay. So we're going to see how this thing does consolidate. If you do come down, look for support around 8821. That is your bearish case right now. You fall down there. But I'm thinking you're more than likely going to move on up at least at a bare minimum 15268. And of course, if you were trying to get into a trade now, get that stop loss below this flat level of support here at 9761. If it loses that level, you kind of don't want anything to do with this until you see where it stops. So that is what I see out of Spell token right now. Let's move on to Blast. So checking out Blast next. Blast. Let's go this one. Yeah, this one. Wow, way to find a bottom. Holy crap. Alrighty, let's go out to our daily first. Daily looks solid. Oh my. Oh my. Blast is set for a trade right now, right this moment. Stop loss right below 8272. And you would be expecting first off that golden retrace, which currently the golden retrace you're looking at would be, where's that low? There it is. There's the low. You're setting higher lows too. That's great. Anyways, you'd be looking for this 12729 to play out. So Blast right this moment. You would be looking for 49% move to the upside. Dang, Blast looking strong. And then over time, this thing could see a much larger move. Most likely hitting overhead resistance. 158% to the upside. Blast looking extremely strong right here. Extremely strong. Your daily looks great. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour looks great. Oh boy. Yeah, it looks really good. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour. Rounded bottom. We love rounded bottoms around here. You bought Trump $9, sold 28. Smart move. Real ape fatter? The real ape fatter. Congratulations on the game. Congratulations. That is fantastic. Alright, so that is Blast. Everything looks like it's pointing to the upside, so enjoy that one. Next up, we got Sushi. Sushi. Everyone, have a good night. Melanie, you have a great night. I appreciate you coming in each and every time. Hopefully, you continue to see tons of gains in this market. Alright, looking at Sushi here, we have broken out. We have back-tested support. Beauty. Your 1 hour does not look bad whatsoever. Your 4 hour looks really good. Looks really good. You do not have bullish divergence. However, you are setting that higher low. And, oh, you have hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Oh my. Oh my. Your MACD is giving you that hidden bullish divergence, much more sell pressure, and a higher low. This is what you want to find. So now you can figure out what move to the upside you're looking for. Sushi, we could be seeing a move up to $2.05. Beautiful. Could be a 31% move. In the longer time frame though, we would be looking for a move all the way up to $4.79. But remember, for Sushi to start moving like that, it needs Ethereum to get moving. So it could be a little sluggish. Just keep that in mind. But it's looking really good. Looking really good. Oh my. Yeah, your 1 hour looks great. Let's check your 15. Your 15 wants to consolidate a bit, so allow this thing to reset. Once it resets, all you need to do is be above this rounded bottom here, and you're pretty much golden for that upside move of 31%. Let this thing reset and be ready to jump into the trade. Sushi's looking pretty strong. Of course, you're looking for a higher low. So that's really the main thing. All right, last request of the night. We got AIOZ. AIOZ. So, AIOZ network, let's check it out. Oh my, what? What a wick to the downside. Sheesh. All right, going into our daily time frame. So someone was asking, is AIOZ cooked? No, this is the most bullish consolidation you could ask for. You had a beautiful run up. You had a trading range right back here that you're utilizing as support. No, AIOZ is not cooked. AIOZ is getting ready for massive markups. And I mean massive. The fact of the matter is, you put in your bearish... No, you did. There was no bearish divergence. Wow. No bearish divergence. This is all bullish consolidation. You're just sitting on your hands waiting for this thing to start rallying. I mean, of course, somebody's going to be like, well, we made a spike up and then we made a lower high. This is a downtrend. You just zoom out a little bit. Just zoom on out. You are doing just fine. So right now, that looks like it was a 618. You're waiting for that higher low. That's really it. And it looks like your 4 hour just gave it to you. Wow. 4 hour gave it to you with the kiss of hidden bullish divergence on the MACD. Nice. Very nice. So I would be looking for this thing to start making a very good move to the upside in the shorter term. You could be seeing this thing going up, let's just say, to $1.21899. So this could be heading right on up there sometime in the near future. You're looking for a 31% upside move for AIOZ. Your 4 hour says it wants it. Your 1 hour is saying that it's possible. All you need to do is maintain above 87967 and you're good. Checking out the 15 minute. 15 minute just looks like it is now trying to start flipping all of its moving averages to bullish. This is great. AIOZ looks extremely good. So don't get discouraged about AIOZ. You're doing just fine. Just fine. Anyways, everybody, looks like that was all the requests. I know I came in early today, caught y'all off guard, but we got it done. We got it done. So other than that, I really don't have anything more I want to talk about outside of, hey, Bitcoin's looking solid. The rest of the market looks like it's recovering after a huge sell-off because of the Trump coin. And yeah, let's just enjoy. Oh, Bitcoin broke out, going for a back test. Beautiful. 109 is the target. Remember that. 109 is the target. And we could see another 4.2% to the upside. Let's go ahead and check out on my trade real fast. So Ali Gold is struggling. Suddenly, it was going up. Now it's pulling back. We're going to see if I get my 11% move to the upside. Currently on the 15 minute, we're sitting in neutral territory. We're doing okay. As long as we don't cross below these lows, I'm doing just fine. Anyways, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic evening or day or whatever it is for you. I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you hit the like. Hopefully if you're new here, you subscribed. Check the description down below. Join the Discord. It's absolutely free where you can get all sorts of updates. Anyways, I will be back tomorrow. Other than that, keep your stop losses tight. I'm out of here. Deuces, everybody. Deuces. No problem, Defo. No problem.